boys and girls, we are back with that leveled reader, and we are going to read through that again today for our teacher table work. So we're going to go to your Wonders website, click Mrs. Shank's class, click your name, put in your password. You can go ahead and pause the video until you are there and ready. We're going to launch, and we're going to that read button. Remember, we're doing Fuel the Future. You're going to click on that book again. We're all on the same book, the blue book. Today, instead of hitting the speaker buttons for them to read it to you, you are going to read it all on your own. You can read it to someone else in your house, or you can just read it inside your head. You can whisper read it, any of those things, but you're going to read through it all on your own, the whole book. You listened yesterday, today you're reading on your own. So that tomorrow you will be ready, because tomorrow you're going to be working on the paper that goes along with this reader. Okay? Happy reading!